Hey babes, welcome back to NP Trust Treats TV. Today I'm talking to you about the Rosas, that's what I'm going to call it, Rosas. It was actually inspired by a friend of mine. That print name was inspired by her last name. And so that is the newest My Best Hair Kit. So My Best Hair Kits come with a bonnet, a scrunchie, and a scarf. And it's everything you need to live your best hair life. So with the Rosas My Best Hair Kit, it comes with a bonnet that has roses with a fuchsia interior, and it is reversible and double lined, and this time it comes with a matching fuchsia scrunchie. So normally the My Best Hair Kits come with like a scrunchie to match the print, but I feel like a fuchsia scrunchie is way better than a print scrunchie in this print, only because the roses are so large it'll be hard to see the rose print on the scrunchie. And it comes with a fuchsia scarf. So with the My Best Hair Kit, you can do like, there's so many options, right? You can like wear your scarf, wear your bonnet, cover your pillowcase, which I am like a huge fan of, taking your pillowcase and covering it with your scarf to sleep. You can use your scarf during the day and your bonnet at nighttime. Like I said, the bonnets are reversible and double lines. So you can do like, you know, you can go with the, oops, my earring. You can do like a print size, like the print side one night, right? And this is a medium size. Or you can reverse it and you can do the fuchsia side another night. So yeah, so this is the Rosas My Best Hair Kit. And I'm going to just show you like one quick tutorial with the scarf because I absolutely love the fuchsia scarf. Like the way that it looks on my skin, like it looks good on all skins, but like I just love the way this one looks. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to do, let's see, what style? We'll just do like a basic like headband style. So you're going to take it and fold it so it looks like this, you know, and then we'll just take it behind here, make sure it's centered, bring it up, and then do like this, right? And then take it just behind and tie it in the back. And then you have like a cute little style. So that is the Rosas My Best Hair Kit. Get it from mptrusttreats.com, exclusively at mptrusttreats.com. Shop My Best Hair Kits. Love ya.